Liam Patterson-White to Ollie Robinson. First ball of the day will go for a single.
Mohammed Abbas from the Lumley end. Ollie Robinson punches beautifully off the back foot, and I think that will be the first boundary of the morning. It's a teaser, but it will get there. Lovely timing from Ollie Robinson.
Sources say as Emilio Gay flicks that one off the hips, he has his first boundary of the morning. Durham moved to 333 for 4.
Lid, like there's no shot.
That's a gorgeous shot from Emilio Gay. Gets some width and opens the face and glides that one all the way through backward point for 4. Robinson swivels on that one and will get it away fine, and will get it away for 4 and bring up his 50. Lovely knock from the little Durham wicket keeper. Glorious.
It's textbook Ollie Rob.
Lovely from Robinson, up tall. Emilio Gay climbs into that one and brings up his century. Short, wide, punished. And Emilio Gay goes to 3 figures. Well played, young man.
Oh, hello, Ollie Robinson.
Downtown, and with the wind, that will go all the way for 6.
That is the end of Emilio Gay. It's gone for the reverse sweep. Saw him play it a few times yesterday.
Clark gets one short and wide. Doesn't time it perfectly, but looks like he's timed it well enough that it will run away for 4. And with that boundary, Durham are in the lead. Clark cuts away in the air, but fiercely away to the backward point boundary for 4. And if there's a message of intent,
glorious. Glorious extra cover drive from Graham Clark. Last ball watched by Graham Clark, but Durham's opening session.
Ollie Robinson on strike, and he tucks that all the way off his hip. First ball, and gets the scoreboard moving after lunch. He'll be looking at that first century of the season. Oh, and this one gets a bit of a leading edge down to third man, and Clark will get away with a boundary. Get away with a bit of a skewed shot.
Nice swivel from Clark. Patterson-White trying to slide that one further on as well, but
that's short and pulled away from Clark out into the deep, and it will go all the way for 6. Patterson-White interested just for a moment.
Does, and Clark goes aerial, and that is going to be 4, and that is 50 for Graham Clark.
And Robinson cuts away and cuts well, and it reaches the boundary, and Robinson reaches 3 figures as he punches the air and raises his bat. That's a brilliant innings from Ollie Robinson. Gets a short one, which he helps down the leg side. Not totally in control, but will pick up 4 more. As Clark late cuts that one, and it beats the despairing dive of Haynes. And will it beat the despairing dive of Slater? It does.
Graham Clark decides the best way to get out of his
lead to 129. And Robinson, not for the first time today, gets that really fine on a controlled hook shot.
short drag down. Ollie Robinson dispatches it to the LNER stand for a maximum. Moves the lead to 140.
To go into an edge, no slip in place. A valiant dive from Verena, but it ends up in 4 more for Robinson. James back into the attack. Robinson flicks this away off his legs gloriously. And you get 4. That is a lovely shot from Ollie Robinson. Be a big test for him when he comes out to bat later on this evening. This is a leading edge, and it lobs to backward point. And Lyndon James gets some reward for his toil.
Well, Bryden Cast trying. They might try and set up result there, as that is swatted by Graham Clark nicely from the Cumbrian. He moves to 93 with a boundary off the last ball. It'll be 2. Graham Clark will have to return after tea.
Have another over.
He will go up for a drink on 99.
Patterson-White to continue for the 578th time from the Finkel end. And again, he's right on the money.
Last minute addition to the team. Quick single. That will be it for Graham Clark. His 6th first-class 100. Back-to-back centuries.
Crack behind, lads. Let's just keep moving forward. Watch the cricket and enjoy the cricket. Enjoy each other's company on the stream. As Clark whips that one away out into the leg side. And it will run away for 4. Lovely shot by Graham Clark. Full of confidence after he's just brought up his century. Picks up another 4.
Top of his pads, then puts his bat down.
All routine. It'll just be all subconsciously done. And he subconsciously belts a short ball away.
Just requiring a further 72 victory. And George Giselle frees the arms right down in front of us. That's the first 6 from him. Durham take the lead over 200.
This is hooked away by Drizzle. And he knew it was 4 from the moment it left the bat. James trying the short ball. Blackpool's Blackpool, isn't it? And is he chopped on? He has. George Drizzle, unfortunately, in my...
It's Graham Clark.
And Ben Rain top edges that one in the air. And he's out caught in the deep. Whoosh.
Thank you, George Giselle.
That's in the stand. LNER stand, look out.
Ooh.
Just avoiding a couple of spectators. McCann. In. Oh, here's a run out for sure. Absolute barbecue. And I think possibly the best thing for the game is a little mix-up and a run out. Yusuf's gone. Durham out.
See, Hamid is he's not going to hang around.
Slater up tall, punches that beautifully through the covers for 4.
Second lovely pull in front of square by Asib Hamid. Minto is the only fielder.
A little edge and a little tickle that goes away fine. And we'll go away for 4. Slater gets that away for 4. Casts around the wicket to Slater. Cuts away and cuts hard. That flies away for 4. Oh. And there's the first one. I tell you what, it was an incredible catch by Ben McKinney at first slip, but it's not going to count because Bryden Cass has removed the immovable Hasib Hamid. Right on top, leading by 209. That one short and cut away for 4. Slater so strong in that area. Oh. Wow, that's flown away down to third man off the edge for 4. And interesting for you is Drizzle. Oh my God, how has that missed the stumps? Oh my goodness. Well, what a way to end the day.